Alright, so this is going to be my first video on my game dev channel. Right now, I'm just going to go over this right here. This is the next step in my game dev journey. Let's just get right into it. This is a very simple proof of concept for a sort of like an idle game type, like a Tycoon. Like this is like those Roblox Tycoons, but the droppers and stuff. And obviously I have this. I'm actually, my very next thing I'm working on in terms of my game dev stuff is I'm learning how to use control nodes. That way I'll be able to make a UI that works in any aspect ratio. But for now, this will work pretty much for my phone specifically. So you buy a dropper and then you start doing this, but it actually does work. And obviously 11 coins isn't a big jump in price, but I can adjust that if I want. What I have is I have a little here. I have a little thing down here that once the area of my little money square hits this area, basically this just erases it and adds to my coin total depending on the value. So what this conveyor does is it passes the belt number which is like belt number 1, 2, or 3, and that's how it knows which coin to delete. That way we don't just keep getting an infinitely growing number of coins and it starts to lag the game. Now, the only problem I have right now is, this doesn't crash and it doesn't create an infinite number of coins. But for those of you that are looking at my coin counter, you can see it's only going up by 2. For some reason, the third one is not counting, though it is still removing the coins, which means the third belt is still doing its remove coin function. I don't know why it's not adding to the coin total, but I have the general proof of concept for this type of thing down. I have a lot more to learn. I'm working on a lot of different things right now. I'm working on a huge Minecraft hardcore video on my main channel. If you didn't know, this is a secondary channel. You guys should go check that out. Link in the description. Woohoo! For my very first game I'm going to publish, it's going to be an idle game. It's definitely going to be an idle game, so look forward to that, guys. But I'm starting to get a little more optimized. I made a script that could work for multiple belts. As you can see right here, I was going to make a script for each individual belt. I never ended up even using the second script. Like, it made no sense to do that, so I'm learning. This is beginner stuff for me. I'm learning my stuff. That's really all I've got to say on this one. I'm going to keep this one short and sweet. I'm not going to waste your guys' time. If you guys want to check in and see how I'm doing on my game dev journey, then here you go. This is exactly what I'm doing. Anyway, that's all I got to say. And yeah, peace out.